This is loud. You may want to turn your sound off. If you still have sound, he's knocking out on the outside of that is insulation and cedar siding. The vinyl siding's already been removed, but the rest is just garbage. And several studs have already been removed. This is the left side of the wall. It's like when he goes to golf, you know, backswing.
What?
Talking about your backswing, like when you go to, what do you call it? You don't call it playing golf,
but... David, go close that door. Quickly, quickly.
Yeah, because earlier we busted up one of the panels of windows out of that door that's sitting open that he's telling him to rush down and close. It has a bunch of little square glass panels and one of them is gone by accident. Oops.
We needed drafts.
Yeah, we needed ventilation. It's summertime, it's warm. We're replacing that door anyway. We didn't necessarily intend to break the glass, but we're replacing the door. It was already on the agenda. This is going to be long enough. I'll have to put it on YouTube and then link it. You alright? Get some of your eyes.
Oh boy.
Little sledgehammer.
Damn, I get so much crap in my mouth.
Is it because those two are stuck together down at that outlet box?
No.
Oh. In case you don't know, this is the second floor of our house that he's knocking us out of. Stay back. Where's your sister? Where's your sister, young man?
Downstairs watching the show.
Then go down to her.
You're supposed to be with her.
I'm gonna ask you something.
What?
Well, ask it.
Can I bring down?
Yes. So much aggression. Taking out all of the aggression on that wall. Still stuck? Sawzall? What?
Nope, that wall's sagging. What we're gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to cut this bottom plate, pull that out, and I'm gonna have to sort of slide that wall in there to temporarily hold it. Because that's sitting down on it now. Hard.
Alright. Well, I guess I better stop the video.
Yep.